What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can install the Himalayan, the OG parts from the Himalayan onto this interceptor. And in my previous video I have shown you how to install this Jawa company's handlebar mirrors, bar and mirrors onto this interceptor, and it was quite easy. Many of you have tried and DM'd me how it looks, and it looks beautiful. You can see both the handlebar mirrors, I mean the bar and mirrors, looks very beautiful, very hard, very stable. It does not vibrate on the highways. On the you go 120, 150, it does not vibrate at all, and that is what I can say. And it is my 2 years review on this. 2 years back I had installed these bar and mirrors on this, and today I have some other things in my list to show. I have this knuckle guard from the Himalayan, that let it be here, and I have this tank pads from Raw and Rugged. I have actually got two tank pads, two different types of tank pads here, two different patterns, and one is this crisscross diamond pattern, and the other one is the British flag, maybe because it's the Royal Enfield initially was a British company. So, and after that I have this the windshield, it comes on the windshield here, it comes here. So I'll be showing you that if people are interested in my video. And for all these things to install, you need only one tool, and that I got from Between. So this is how it looks. These are the Allen keys, and this I'll be using. And right now I'll show you, in this video I'll show you how you can install the knuckle guards and how it looks on your bike, the OG Royal Enfield knuckle guards which is made for Himalayan, that you can also install on your Interceptor or on any other bikes in a similar way. See you in the video. So this is what you get, and you will have to remove this from this, and this is where the knuckle guard goes. So you see this, instead of, so first the mirror, and then this, and you'll have to get rid of this. With the E logo, this logo has to come down, so I think I took a wrong one. No problem, we can fix it since it is early. That's it. So this is how it looks. I hope you like this video, and this is how it looks, and this is it. So along with the knuckle guard and the bar and mirrors, it looks good. This is how it looks without the knuckle guard, and that is how it looks with the knuckle guard. So I'll show you another angle as well, and this is what it is. Very comfortable, very comfortable, and your knuckles are always protected by this, and there is so much of gap. This is not touching this, that is more than enough for anybody. And the bar and mirror also looks very sturdy and stable, and this is how it looks, and this is how it looks without anything. And I think I'm liking both the looks. For a few days I can sport this along with this, and if I don't require this particular knuckle guard, I can get rid of it. And this is how it looks with the bike. And also I forgot to show you a couple of other items that are accessories that I have. I can install it here, and this tank pads here. But with this color it is not going really well, not gelling with this. And if you want me to install this pads and which color it suits on the tank, like the green will suit, a completely white will suit. And if you want me to try that, please comment down. People who are interested in Royal Enfield Interceptor or any other bikes and want to get these kind of tank pads, or these are not expensive, 1700 I guess. Very strong, very sturdy. This is a complete aluminum frame here that is keeping this plastic very rigid. There is a reinforcement this side, a reinforcement, completely aluminum reinforcement. That is what is keeping this very strong. And usually this knuckle guards you get from here, you should also connect it to this side as well to make it strong and stable. But this one from Royal Enfield does not require any of those things. And this is how it looks from the low angle. So if you like this video, do let me know, and I'll make more videos. That's it for now. And if you like this video or the kind of contents that I'm making on the bikes, do let me know in the comments down below. If you want me to add up some other accessories, any other, I'm actually going to change the seat. I'm going to get it custom seats as well. That video if you want me to do it, or the tank pads and the These are windshields for this bike. This also I got it installed from the Royal Enfield. And if you want me to make such videos in a very detailed way, let me know, like the way I'll show it to you. And I'll see you in the next video. See you, and all the best for your bike.